Why should you join Affiliate Legion? Being an affiliate marketer is not easy. You spend hours researching products, creating content, and promoting campaigns, all with the hope of earning a commission. But despite all your efforts, success still seems to elude you. I'm Dan Wentworth at www.danwentworth.com. You're not alone. Many affiliates face these or other similar struggles, making it difficult to achieve their goals. But what if there was a way to overcome these challenges and unlock your full earning potential? Introducing the paid membership program for affiliates, Affiliate Legion, the ultimate solution to help you succeed. Here you will get access to advanced training methods that have been proven to work. Don't take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied members who've seen a significant improvement in their earnings and achieved success that they've always dreamed of. This paid membership program, Affiliate Legion, is packed with real-life examples in relatable language and comprehensive resources to help you master affiliate marketing. Unlike any other programs, this one offers a personalized approach tailored to your needs so you can achieve success at your pace. You too can experience the same level of success and start earning the income you deserve. Join our paid membership program today and start your journey towards becoming a successful affiliate marketer with Affiliate Legion. Don't wait any longer. Take advantage of the medium ticket offer at a low ticket price and take your affiliate marketing business to the next level by signing up for our paid membership program today. Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can stay up to date with the trends.